Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss image registration or image to map registration or geocoding or georeferencing. At first, open this map, open image file. There is the open this map and load RGB. This is the Assam state map, and this is the image not rectified. So there is the red, green, blue pixel value here, but not is the rectification. So this image the rectification process start now. At first, go to the map to registration, select GCP to image to map, click and there is the image to map registration. There is the projection system. So there is the use the geographic long and use the datum. There is the WGS 84 and okay. Unit. There is the degree. Okay. Next process is the projection, geographic long and datum. This is this up down. There is a lat long value. So collect the at least 4 GCP control point of this map. First GCP control point is the latitude of 28° north and longitude of 90° east. So at first there is the first GCP control point. This is the latitude 28° north. This is the input here. And next 0° and longitude 90°. Input here. So at least at point. This is the point GCP control point 1. And next is the 95° and 20. So this is the input. There is a 28°, but longitude is a 95°. Change this point, and at point there is the number of selected points is 2. So list there is a 2.1 and 2, and delete last point there is a here and 25° and 95°. So there is the 25°. So there is the 25°. Change this latitude, and there is a 95° at point. And last GCP control point, at least 4 GCP control point. There is the 95°, 90° and 25°. So change this longitude and add point. So add list for GCP control point and collection. And next step is the file to save GCP long output file name. Output registration file name and okay. Next process is the option to what file input this image and spectral subset use this only one band. So there is the choose the I am a 3 band. So there is this registration parameter. So there is the latitude, longitude. So this is the option and method polynomial triangle and there is the choose the polynomial and resampling techniques nearest neighborhood. The output name there is the rectification. So complete this run and open this rectification map. New display. So there is the rectification map of this. There is the not rectification map. The not rectification map. But but this image is the rectification. Latitude value and longitude value. So this image is the rectification or geo coding and image rectification. Thanks for watching.